everybody. This is EpipearlsGriffin reviewing physical activity, body mass index, and clustered metabolic risks in adolescents. This study is a cross-sectional design study, and the population is adolescents ages 12 to 17 with a total of 875 participants. They are categorized as not overweight, active, not overweight, not active, overweight, not active, and overweight, active. The variables of interest are physical activity, body mass index, and clustered mets, including blood pressure, glucose, HDL, and triglycerides. And the findings were that adolescents classified as overweight have CMET scores that are higher when compared to adolescents who are not overweight. As you can see here is the statistical data. The strength of the study is that it's nationally representative and offers strong external validity. The size of the study offers strong statistical power, and bias is limited. The limitations is that causality cannot be inferred, activity levels are self-reported, and CMET scores can only be compared with CMET scores with the same components. Thank you for listening.